Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Patil sir. Good afternoon, Zada sir. Good evening, all. It's my great pleasure today to present valedictory speech
Just a
at the
moment.
end of.
Just a moment. Please wait, madam. Just a
Yes, sir.
moment.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Madam, please start.
Okay, sir. So, good evening, all. It's my great pleasure today to present valedictory speech at the end of 5 days of FDP program on robotics, organized by Department of Electronics Engineering, Ramrao Adik Institute of Technology, sponsored by All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE ATAL Academy. Robotics technology influences every aspect of work and home. Robot has a potential to positively transform lives and work practices, raise efficiency and safety levels, and provide enhanced levels of service. I hope all the participants are benefited by this FDP. I welcome today's chief guest, Honorable Dr. Mukesh D. Patil Sir, Principal, RAIT. RAIT offers a plethora of courses including computer engineering, information technology, electronics engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, and instrumentation engineering. RAIT is affiliated to Dr. D.Y. Patil deemed to be university, recognized by All India Council for Technical Education and accredited by National Assessment and Accreditation Council with A grade, paving way for a promising future. I request all the participants, whoever wants to share their feedback, please share your feedback.
Yeah, so participants are welcome if they want to come live and give their feedback, their experience regarding this. And even if there are some suggestions, they are also welcome.
They can they can raise the hand and you can.
Yeah, okay,
Sir,
fine.
Sir Sridhar Khandekar sir, is he available? Sridhar Khandekar sir? Anbu Selvi ma'am?
Yeah, I think she is there. She has raised her hand. Prasid
Okay,
sir.
okay. So,
Yeah, making the point.
Am I audible, ma'am?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening to everyone. It's been a nice experience with RAIT to get to know about the wide coverage of robotics. And have been handling these courses at the PG level, but even I could able to get things astonished when people just shown their research work. It was really, really excellent, ma'am. People just shared the extensive coverage of their individual projects or individual research work. So it was really excellent. And the surprising stuff was it doesn't include any fundas as such. as a faculty member, we try to focus on advanced concepts. So we started with the ROS and went on with respect to the higher level understanding related to control systems and stuff. And there's another interesting stuff where mathematics has been given importance, and sessions handled with mathematical understandings is also really helpful to us. It was really nice, ma'am, and I'm happy to just join you in the any future workshops or faculty programs. I congratulate all the participants for the perfect organization of the sessions. You are in line with the time and communicating things even through WhatsApp or mail. That was really fantastic, ma'am. I wish you all the best for your future things, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. One more participant I think wants to speak. Manoj, I think he's raised his hand.
I'm audible?
Yeah, sir. If you
Yeah.
could share your video, then also it is okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Fine. Myself, Manoj Kaveria, already in the morning session, I have introduced myself. I was part of AMI curriculum. I've done my master's from, not actually completed, but I left in between due to some of the family issues. But thanks to Mukesh Patel sir, MD Patel sir at that time, he has helped me a lot. And another Khade sir was there, he has also helped me a lot at that time. And today it's really, I'm feeling nice being a part of this workshop. You can say virtually, and it would be more better and make me feel happy if it would be a physical one, because I could have came back to one of my institutions where I studied. And right now I'm working with Shahani Engineering College. And I'm basically, my orientation is towards IoT, more towards the IoT. But after this workshop, I got one more way to think that how I can connect robotics and IoT hand to hand. Because prior to that, I was not doing any things of concept of robotics. Because in IoT, what we do, we generally take a motor and then we just connect and we just move and we see the drones. But what is the mechanics? What is the dynamics? What is the things behind that? Everything is clear. And really, the very nice effort taken by the team, because attending the thing and organizing is really organizing takes really the effort. So I thank the complete team of RAIT who is in the front end, at the back end, as well as all the speakers who have given the nice orientation and given us a way to think in the new dimension. And to all the participants also, because they have attended all the sessions. And once again, thank you very much to all. And Happy New Year. And let's say this 2021 will give a new hope and new ray, because since last 9 months we are facing a lot of problems. So now I hope that is coming to end. So thanks a lot to RAIT, Patil sir, and all the team at the front end and at the back end. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your experiences.
Am I audible? Hello,
Yes,
am I
sir.
audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yes,
You are
sir. Yes,
audible.
sir. If you can show your video, then also it will be the good thing, sir.
Okay, no problem. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Professor Sridhar Khandekar from MIT Academy of Engineering, Pune. I am very thankful to the Ramrao Adik Institute of Technology for organizing such an informative FDP. I am very glad that I invested my time into this course because I personally have benefited a lot from this, as earlier I knew nothing about ROS, but only its full form. That I know only robotic operating system, nothing else. But with this FDP, I learn a lot from all the experts. I will start with Mr. Lentin Joseph. His introductory lecture is very well organized in terms of his contents and all these things. He made us well aware about the fundamental of ROS, which was very useful for the beginners like me. He made us go through all the basic concepts that were important. Then I found Mr. Ajit Mutalik's session very much knowledgeable, as he has explained every concept deeply and implemented also. So, with his amazing teaching, he has made the subject pretty easy, and I am trying to include now the contents about ROS in my curriculum, because our college has started one robotic basket. So, in the third year, student has to enroll for this subject, and they will get the minor degree in robotics. But I have not included earlier anything regarding the ROS. So definitely, I will include now some implementations from the MATLAB, and so I have asked frequent questions during the sessions based on the ROS. Professor Vishwesh Vevare's lecture on fractional derivatives was something that really made me rethink about my knowledge. I was amazed at it was a topic that I had crossed path with for the first time in my life. So he has made one statement that हमने 11th 12th में बहुत कुछ सीखा है, इंजीनियरिंग में भी मैथ्स किया है, ट्रू फॉर मी, बट आई नेवर थॉट ऑफ द फ्रैक्शनल डेरिवेटिव्स, and first time really in my life I came across this topic. So whatever I gain from this FDP, so much things I learn. Even though I have works in robotics field, but so many things are new to me. So definitely I will include these in my curriculum. So from the point of syllabus setting also, this FDP is so much fruitful to me actually. And thank you very much for the organizing team, because we have not faced a single time a technical problem, because during this pandemic situation I attended more than 10 workshops, but every time some technical issues we have to face. But really I am very thankful to the organizing team for organizing in a very fluent manner. Thank you very much all. Over to you, madam.
Yeah, thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot for giving such nice feedback. I request now Dr. Kavyashri ma'am from Acharya Institute of Technology, Karnataka. Ma'am, Kavyashri ma'am. I think ma'am got disconnected. Vishwesh sir and Patil sir, can I share a feedback video with you all?
Yeah, before that, let's see if any other faculty participants
Okay,
would like to speak. So, dear participants, you have been listening to us for last 5 days. This is the time you speak and we listen. Okay, so if you want to say something, please feel free. Even your suggestions are also welcome. That will help us in improvement.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sorry, sir. I have not taken the name of Trivedi sir and Biradar sir, because it is injustice if I will not take their names, because really I am so much beneficial about it, and I definitely contact them personally for syllabus setting. Thank you once again, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You can proceed, Sushma madam.
Yeah, sir. Can I share a video, sir?
Please, please.
Hello, the ATAL FDP on robotics by Day-5 University RAIT Electronics Engineering was really helpful and informative session that covered from dynamics, control, and motion planning, vision, and all other important aspects of robotics. That really helped us, and I was quite happy and I enjoyed all the expert lectures by resourceful people. Thank you so much.
That session was very informative, and what you have given a selective knowledge, as well as we have gained so much knowledge. I consider it to be very and so much interested. I'm so much happy. Thank you very much.
Hi all, I am Anu Abraham, Associate Professor of KJ Somaya College of Engineering, Vidyavihar. This FDP on emerging trends in robotics was a well-organized one, encompassing many recent trends and emerging areas in robotics. The sessions were well managed, and we got to hear from eminent speakers from IITs and other premier institutes in various research areas. We could get a feel of robotic operating systems and simulation of various robotic movements in gazebo, how the interval analysis was deployed in avoiding collision of robots with obstacles, implementing fractional calculus for better modeling of robotic systems, integrating the system's memory, spatial dynamics, and viscoelastic properties. Also topics like machine vision in robotics, usage of MATLAB robotics toolbox wherein the actual robot kinematics could be implemented. Various challenging problems were addressed, like dynamics and control of tilt augmented quadrotor, autonomous tracking and landing in safe zone, autopilot model for quadrotor and stabilization techniques, precision imaging using modern optical telescopes. Overall, the FDP was well organized and proper time management was done. I have attended almost 3 to 4 FDPs in RAIT, and I appreciate the efforts taken by the principal and the department faculty for organizing such programs. I wish them the best in all future endeavors. Thanking you once again for arranging such an informative faculty development program. Thank you.
So thank you all, dear participants, for sharing your valuable feedback. I request now Dr. Vishwesh Vavhare sir, the coordinator of this FDP and HOD of Electronics Department of RAIT, to address the gathering. Sir.
Thank you, Sushma Madam. Honorable Principal Dr. M.D. Patil Sir, Honorable Deal Quality Assurance and HOD Instrumentation Dr. Sharad Jadhav Sir, Vidhate Sir, all HODs, my team and dear participants. So we have come to the end of this FDP, and I hope you all enjoyed this FDP, and the main aim of any such workshops or symposia or STTPs or FDPs is knowledge transfer. So I hope we have been successful in in transferring the knowledge, and I hope as I have learned from the feedback of a couple of participants that they liked the sessions, and there were a lot of avenues which got opened in front of them after attending this FDP. So I can consider this, or we can consider this as a success of this FDP, and I saw that all participants were very enthusiastic. They attended all the sessions, and they actively participated in all question answer sessions. And of course, slightly the overall level of all the lectures or topic was slightly mathematical. So that might have created some hindrance or some issues related to that. But I think we cannot escape mathematics. We can run away from mathematics. And in robotics, of course, we cannot move an inch ahead if we leave the mathematics behind. Okay. So what we know, or what is a common understanding, is that robotics is just fabrication and making up of robots or manipulators with some electronics and electromechanical components and all that. That is fine. But at the back of it, there is a concrete mathematics which is required. So our motivation or our aim from the beginning was that to introduce this research domain or this research side of the robotics to all the participants, and that's why we had added the tagline that emerging research trends. And I had said in my inauguration session also that I hope if you attend all the lectures, that then you will be able to get the new domains which are open for doing active research, collaborative research. So I hope the FDP has been to a large extent possible, and it has been successful in transferring this idea to all the participants. We, as I said in my inaugural talk, that we received the participation across the country, from the length and breadth of the country, and everyone participated very well. Today you have appeared for the test also. Okay. So we had received some requests from the participants that there is NPTEL examination, and even some participants, they attended almost all lectures, but due to some job related constraints or some other important unavoidable situations, they could not give the test in this 3:15 to 4:15 p.m. So we have kept our test open for some time. So those who have not been able to give the test, I request them to please attempt the test, because as per the ATAL Academy rules, you need to have 80% attendance and 60% passing in the test for being eligible for the certificate. Now, so please note this. Now, conducting such an FDP is not possible by a single person, however Superman he or she is. Okay, it requires a team, and it requires a good leader. It requires a strong management, and I am fortunate that as a coordinator, we got very positive support from our management. I especially would like to thank Dada, Honorable Dada, our Honorable Vijay sir, Honorable Shivani madam, and our principal, Dr. M.D. Patil sir. He is always there. In fact, he is the one who asked us to submit these proposals for the ATAL FDP. We were busy in our day-to-day college activities, so he said, no, you should submit, and he is always there, and he is always motivating and encouraging us. So thank you, Dr. M.D. Patil sir, for encouraging us and always providing all the support, all the motivation, and your that let's do it approach. Really, it has it makes us motivated, and it gives us the energy to work on it. I would also like to thank all HODs, my friend Dr. Sharad, Dr. Vidhate sir, who are present in the meeting, all HODs, all deans, registrar Dr. Tanmay, all my faculty colleagues who have either directly or indirectly helped us, And last but not the least, it will be a very great injustice if I don't express my sincere gratitude towards my team. So starting from Dr. Prasid, so Mr. Khandekar said that this is one of the best workshops where everything went uninterrupted. There was no issues and all that. So I would say that all credit goes to Dr. Prasid, because right from using Microsoft Teams to its integration with YouTube and all those things. So Dr. Prasid had single-handedly managed it, of course, with the support from Mr. Chaitanya Jage, who is also one of the coordinators, one of the team members. My colleagues Sushma Madam, Shweta Madam, Divya Madam, Balu Sir, and Parag, they all have been very instrumental in making this FDP a great success. So thank you all team members, thank you these faculty members, right from making the list of participants to preparing all these things, all these team members, right from procuring the things from Amazon for this workshop and all that. So everyone has been instrumental, and thank you once again. Thank you, Dr. Prasid, Dr. Sushma Madam, Shweta Madam, Divya Madam, Balu Sir, Chaitanya, Parag. This would not have been possible without your active support and your teamwork. Thank you very much. I would like to thank all speakers also. Of course, a formal vote of thanks will be done by Sushma Madam. I would also like to thank all the speakers for sparing their valuable time and delivering the expert talk here. Participants, there would not this would FDP would not have been possible without your active participation, for you registering. And see, there are 2-3 robotics workshops going on parallelly, concurrently, but we have received an overwhelming response, more than 192 participants. Okay, so thank you very much, dear participants, for giving us this opportunity to interact with you. Thank you all. I now request our Honorable Principal, Dr. Mukesh D. Patil Sir, to share his wisdom and thoughts. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Vishwesh. So we are moving towards the end of this 5 days FDP on robotics, and the kind of feedback given by the participants, I understand that all the participants are happy with the kind of knowledge shared by the eminent speakers, and the way this FDP is organized by Department of Electronics Engineering. So I would like to congratulate the team of organizing team of this FDP on robotics. I'm sure that you people will use this knowledge and you will disseminate this knowledge to the students. That is what is the motto of AICTE, as what I have already spoken to you during the inauguration. So, and the speakers were excellent, and they are expert in their domain, and I'm sure that the knowledge shared by the speakers will really help you to build your career. I'm happy to see that many participants are already completed their doctorate, and still they have attended this FDP. So this is really a motivating thing, as because there are many faculty members who complete their doctorate, and then they don't take interest in the future career. So this is a very nice thing about these participants. So I must like to thank them for attending this training program, and obviously this has been possible, and this legacy we are maintaining about the quality of delivering the content for any training programs is possible because of the active support by our management. So on this platform, I would like to thank our founder president, Honorable Dr. Day-5 Patil. We call him as the Dada, and our president and chancellor of this Day-5 Patil University, Dr. Vijay Patil sir. Managing Trustee Shivani Patil ma'am, and Vice Chancellor Dr. Shirish Patil sir, who are the backbone of this institute and who are the motivating force, uh, who are continuously pushing us to maintain the pushing us so that we can maintain the quality of the education in this institute. And again, I would like to thank all the participants for taking interest. And as explained by Dr. Vishwesh, that even though there are three FDPs were going concurrently on this same domain, but you choose to attend FDP at at our institute RIT. I am sure that the content delivered by the speaker will help you to move ahead. And this must be a nice experience for you, and we people will remain in touch with you for the forthcoming training programs which will be scheduled at this institute. There are three to four STTPs are already approved by AICTE. So once we receive the funding, we'll send you the invitation for this training program which are scheduled in future. And I would like to welcome Mr. Khandekar to the fraternity of fractional calculus, because I am one of the researcher in this domain. So I would like to welcome him to this domain, and this is really a fantastic domain where very few people are working. So I welcome him to this domain, and thank you again for all the participants and the organizing team.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Sharath, would you like to speak a few words?
No, sir. Please carry on.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Over to you, Sushma madam.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. So some instructions for the participants again. Again, as told by Vishwesh sir, that there are some faculties who are involved in NPTEL exams. So the quiz is open for them today for some time. And again, one thing, after giving the test, please go to the admin portal, like ATAL admin portal, and there you have to give feedback, and that is compulsory for you because it is needed for issuing of the certificate. So the test and the feedback both are very much needed, and the attendance for the issue of the certificate. And the certificate will be directly issued to you by the ATAL Academy. Okay, so please remember that. Okay, so you participants have to note these things, right? So on behalf of Electronics Engineering, Ramrao Adik Institute of Technology and the entire team of Faculty Development Program extend a hearty vote of thanks to a fraternity of robotics here. AICTE ATAL Academy promotes development in the country in a coordinated and integrated manner. A very big thank you to AICTE ATAL Academy for giving us an opportunity to conduct such FDPs on robotics. We are thankful to Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni, Director of AICTE and AICTE Training and Learning ATAL Academy, Shri Giridhar Lal Garg ji, Assistant Director at AICTE and AICTE Training and Learning ATAL Academy, for believing in us and allowing us to conduct such workshops. We are really thankful to our beloved Dada, Padma Shri, Founder Dr. D.Y. Patil, President Dr. Vijay D. Patil sir, Managing Trustee Shivani Patil ma'am, for always motivating us for such academic matters. We are grateful to our Vice Chancellor of Dr. D.Y. Patil University, Dr. Shirish Patil sir, for his timely valuable guidance. We are thankful to our Registrar, Dr. Tanmay Sinnarkar, and Principal RIT, Dr. Mukesh Ji Patil sir, for always encouraging us for learning and development through conduction of such FDPs. We are thankful to all speakers for gracing your important work and sharing with us your findings and opinions. We are thankful to Mr. Lentin Joseph for giving us the way how to focus on ROS programming. Mr. Ajit Mutalik for giving us insight of creating a basic two-wheel differential drive robot in ROS. Professor Leena Vachani ma'am for enlightening us on control and challenges in embedded systems in robotics. Dr. Soumya Sahu for sharing his view on control of multi-rotor UAVs. Professor Vishwesh Vyavare for explaining in detail the use of fractional calculus applications in robotics. Dr. Mangal Kothari gave us insight of autonomous multicopter UAVs. Dr. T.S. Kumar gave us detailing on precision imaging using large automated ground-based modern optical telescopes. Professor Vrunda Joshi ma'am on motion planning of rolling robots, classical non-holomic systems. Dr. Prasid Trivedi sir on robotic manipulator design using MATLAB. Mr. Satyanarayanan S. laboratory demonstration of multi-rotor UAVs. We are thankful to Dr. Gajanan Birazdar sir for giving us insight of artificial vision for robots. I'm thankful to our HOD of Electronics, Dr. Vishwesh Vyavare, and also the coordinator of FDP. I'm also thankful to Prasid Trivedi sir for all technical and administrative support. I express my gratitude to Balu Bhusari sir for his timely support. I'm also thankful to my colleagues Shweta Ashtikar ma'am and Divya ma'am for their rigorous involvement for the conduction of this FDP. I am also thankful to Chaitanya Jagge sir and Parag Patil sir, Pratik Kadam sir for their timely support. Our team is thankful to all the participants and to all those who are directly or indirectly involved in making this event successful. Thank you all.
Thank you all. The meeting has ended and the FD